Hey there peeps, mewmew here and welcome to a Pusheen box unboxing. So today we're opening the winter Pusheen box and we have the lovely Pusheen box. Oh, I should be showing you first. Ignore that you've seen the inside of this box already, but I need to show you the box. It's like, it is so cute how, you know, like what makes me happy about this box is like, look how cute it is. Like, shoo, 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 meow, and little hat on top, and her little paws on the bottom of the actual thing. Like that makes me like so happy. Like they, you know, look into the consideration of all those details. So I open. And yes, this box is by Culturefly. It is a quarterly subscription, so every 3 months you can get a box for this. It is about $40 total for the box every 3 months, and I'm already my eyes being attracted to cute things inside this box, but we have to stay strong. We have to be strong. And yes, for those that have already said it, I'm actually also like FYI, I'm streaming me unboxing this, so if I'm looking over at chat, that's why peeps watching this video at some other time. Yes, and Pusheen, the plushies that are Pusheen are actually made by Gund, which is the same brand that makes Danbear bears, like Danbear, which these are Snuffles bears, but they're made by Gund, and Gund is the brand that makes all the Pusheen plushies. So, family. It's a family business. Yeah, the mailing box is so cute. So we're gonna start, I don't even know where. I think here. But like, look at all these colors. And of course, the card, we don't look at. We look at that at the end. So, we have a 2-pack pillowcase set. Pusheen box exclusive. I love that they do all these exclusive things. Also, like, I've shown this, you know, some of the things that I've gotten to my mom. Because my restro is all Pusheen stuff. And she was very against subscription boxes. But when she saw that all the good things that I've gotten from the Pusheen box, she's like, oh, that's actually a really good box. Not that she would buy it, but she was like, that's actually really good. Like, you're actually getting something useful out of it instead of random stuff that you're never gonna use. And like, that was the highest compliment my mom could ever give to a subscription box, that it's not full of worthless stuff. So my mom, this box, Pusheen box, is mom approved. Oh my god, this pillowcase is big. Morning, night. That is so cute. It's a pillowcase. Oh, am I gonna have to change my pillowcases? Oh, it says morning and night on both of them. This is so cute. I'm gonna have to put them on my bed. These are adorable. I love them already. I should probably fold them in a semi-good way so it is not a pain later. Yes, you gotta change your pillowcases. Oh my god, these are Pusheen earmuffs. They're so adorable. Look at them. These are so cute. Oh, you can make them smaller, I think. Yeah, you can by like a tad. These are very nice. They're so cute. Well, these mine seem to have like a little, oh, I guess. Yeah, there's like a little bit that you can move them up and down to make them bigger. Kitty ears with ear kitties. Yes, they're so cute. Please tell me that this is something I like. I can't do this one yet. I'm gonna do this one instead. It's a big box. Snow Day Pusheen box exclusive. Oh, it's a vinyl figure. Oh my gosh, this vinyl figure is so big. What was last year? What was last year's vinyl figure? I have the balloon, the beach. The fall one was the one with the acorn. I don't remember which one was the winter one. Oh, yes, it was the ornament one. It's by the Cardcaptor Sakura. Well, it's behind my head. But it's the one that's wrapped around in ornaments. I'm like, I don't know where it is, but it's like right there. Look at this. It's so cute. Look, they have a really bad, you know, snow cat. It is so cute. And with her friend, her sister Snormy. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love having all the Pusheen figures, and I need to reorganize my shelving, just to like display everything better. It's so cute. Let's see, is there anything under this? Because I don't want to know what it is yet, because I feel like it's what's gonna break me. And now we have cozy socks. Yay! Oh, I love socks. I love running around my house with socks. Look, they're so cute. They have the little Pusheen with the hat. Oh, the Christmas hat. I actually have a ton of Pusheenicorn socks because I love Pusheenicorn, because spirit animal right there, because I'm a kitty unicorn. And felt garland. Oh my gosh, I might have to put this on my thing so y'all can see it all the time for like a little while. I removed it, but it's still sealed. Oh, there I go, like ripping it. But I only ripped the top part. Oh, this is adorable. It's a little garland. It's only one side, it's okay. It's a little felt garland. As you can see, it has little stars and little Pusheens. They're made out of felt. The felt is actually pretty thick. You know, compared to most felts, it's slightly thick, so that's good. It should last you for a little bit, and it's very adorable. You could put this like on top, like on my shelf behind me. You could put it to kind of decorate the mood, or just like around your Christmas tree. Actually, you could even put this on your Christmas tree. So like Christmas tree decorations, if you don't have any, don't have Christmas decorations, you got it. You got it. And now we have, oh, it's latte stencils. Oh, these are cute. I don't know how to make latte art, but like these are so cute. So these are just little stencils that you can put on your lattes. This one has like a little gift shape, and it has this basic kitty one and another one. It's 3 latte stencils. It's really cool. I'm gonna try to make some lattes and try this out. If I achieve success, I will share pictures of them on my Instagram. So that's really cool. Oh, holiday greeting cards. This is so cute. This is adorable. So I'm actually going to use these holiday gift cards. Holiday greeting cards to send stuff to my subscribers on Twitch. I said that every person that's a subscriber to me on Twitch by Burmis was going to get a Christmas card from me. So some of them will get this card and some will get my unique Christmas card. So I guess if you're a subscriber, let me know that you want this one in particular, so I can make sure to send you one of these. So, and it's only 2, so 2 special people get one of these. It doesn't say it, but thank you, Nana, for letting me know that it's only 2. Yeah, it's 2 envelopes. So 2 people can get this one. Okay, so Nana wants one because she doesn't want to open her, so I can send one to Nana. Okay, Nana, we'll get it. SH Nora just claimed the other one. Okay, and everybody else will get my unique one. So here we go with this last item. It looks like a hood. Oh my god. Also, Damaged Plushie, what you just said about trying to use the stencils for powdered sugar baked goods sounds like an amazing idea. Let me know how that works. I like how that goes. It has a hood. I see buttons. It's like my cape! I have this really cute kitty cape that I use around the house sometimes. It just sounds like my door closed. Okay, it doesn't really work out with my ears on my head. before the buttons make sleeves. This is like too adorable for my words. I can't even. Like, this is gonna get used so much around the house because like I have this cape that I literally wear around the house all day because sometimes I'm cold, but like the sleeves let me work and do all the things, and like this is so cute. I feel so warm and oh my god. And like, you know, peeps, I've already told you like so many times that the Pusheen box is my favorite box, and you get to see like why it's my favorite box. Like, all these things that we've gotten in this box are so incredible. I mean, they're usable. I mean, socks. Who doesn't need socks? The earmuffs, maybe, on the fence. Also, we didn't get a plushie. We usually get a plushie. Oh, that's unfortunate. Yeah, there's no plushie in this box, so that's kind of unfortunate. There's no items from Gund in this box, so that's sad. But if you want to get your gun fix, make sure to use code mewmew10 at gund.com to get 10% off. Because, you know, that's where all the burrs are at. But, you know, definitely this box is one of my favorite boxes that I get. And, you know, I hope that you enjoy this box. Let me know in the comments below if you've gotten this box before or have gotten the winter one, and if you're going to continue getting this box, because honestly, I really want to get more of this box. It's so cute. Like, I just can't even. So that's that. This has been unboxing of the winter box for Pusheen of 2018. Let me know in the comments below, what did you think of this box, and are you excited for summer? Well, actually spring. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, meow meow.